Hello and welcome. I'm Kendra from Macro Files, and today we dive into the most dangerous fraud wave hitting traders right now. This is about so-called AI trading bots, platforms named like Quantum AI, and ads using a deepfake of Elon Musk's face and voice to convince you this robot will make you a millionaire. Behind that shiny facade sits a machine designed to drain billions of dollars. Artificial intelligence has turned from a promise of progress into a weaponized tool for scammers. In recent reports, artificial intelligence has become one of the highest risk buzzwords in investment scams. Suspicious platforms appear under names like Quantum AI Crypto Bot, Tesla Coin, claiming to use cutting-edge algorithms, often linking themselves to figures like Elon Musk or projects like Tesla to give their product a false legitimacy. One of the most worrying trends is the use of AI-generated deepfake videos. Security investigations document how fake clips of Elon Musk have been used in ads on platforms like YouTube and Facebook, showing the fake Elon enthusiastically discussing a revolutionary trading robot. These modern generative tools make producing a highly convincing deepfake cost only a few $100s, making it trivial for any criminal syndicate to put their sales pitch into a global figure's mouth. How does the platform itself work? The pattern is consistent. 1. Step 1. Attraction. An ad or landing page screams about AI-powered trading. 2. Step 2. Recruitment. An investment advisor calls you within hours asking for a small initial deposit, $200 to $500. 3. Step 3. Fattening. The fake results dashboard starts showing moving numbers. They may allow a small withdrawal initially to build trust. 4. Step 4. Pressure. The advisor aggressively pushes you to raise your deposit into the thousands, reminding you that even Elon Musk invested. 5. Step 5. The close. When the victim tries to withdraw, the excuses begin. The account needs an upgrade, or taxes must be paid up front. If they refuse, the account is frozen. AI is not a miracle. AI is a weapon creating a false confidence bubble. Scammers use AI text and image generators to fabricate convincing outreach. Remember, AI in finance is a tool, not a miracle. It does not eliminate the possibility of loss. How do you protect yourself? First, any platform relying on Elon Musk's name without an official corporate announcement is suspect. Second, any system claiming AI eliminates loss or guarantees a fixed return is lying. Third, never trust the internal dashboard alone. Ask for the legal entity name, the licensing supervisory authority, and verify that you can withdraw your funds to a regulated broker. This was an investigation into fake AI trading bots. I'm Kendra from Macro Files.